E. And it's not so much A, how you would pronounce it in English. The sounds, the vowels of Eurythmy are archetypes. The mouth does not move. And E is something which has with the tension of left and right to do. Yeah? So E, the mouth becomes broad, but centered and doesn't move. E. And when we do this arriving at ourselves, let's do it a little bit from left and right. I arrive at myself. I feel this left and right theme, which can pull me apart, but I try to keep it together. And then I let go inwardly. And all the time I ask myself, how do I have to feel myself that the inner growth starts coming about? And that the breath reacts. That's what we want to achieve, yeah? By itself. And then you can, when the breath comes, then you can start enjoying it and help it to unfold. Yes, okay, left and right. Invite it to come to your center. Build a strong anchor here. I am centered. And then connect with the roots of your being in the earth. Do your heels become light by themselves? In the beginning it won't work, but over time you might learn how to listen to your body in such a way that it happens. Okay, the basic E gesture is, there is a left and right, and I use it to make a cross of it. I cross it over and make a gesture of protection. I protect myself. I can set borders. And then again, I return to my heart first and let go. A little step is always meaningful. And when you do this, I connect with the energy of left and right, but then I put tension in my hands to bring these energies along and create a clear crossing. It's not, I have a border here, don't do it. It's a hedge where you can easily go through. No, it's a fence with sharp, with edges, and you know you will not make it here. Yeah? And again. And which hand is in front? Do it the way which feels good, both is right. So when you now come from here, and that's your fence, your garden, where you meet your neighbors, now be careful. Is my garden big enough that I can still plant nice, that have beets, and flowers in my garden? Or when I create it, it's like this? Or stay away, please. So, from the beginning, when you start here, try to feel already now that you create a nice garden which you protect. E. And then let go. And maybe your breath starts reacting. And what makes it reacting? It's not building this cross itself does not make your breath react. Yeah? Like maybe the work. But when you start feeling how the arms touch each other, I feel myself in this crossing. So bring your arms in, create this garden, create this protection, and now start that one arm feels the other. It may be that this perception out there can find an inner reaction that you start feeling yourself. And this might make your inner column strong and straight. And maybe last idea about this gesture for today is when you do this and your column reacts, your spine, it might even bring you on the heels. And that would be perfect, that you stand behind. I'm protected. I'm allowed to stay behind, but this is rooting me in the earth. Let's try one more time. You just cross left and right. You create a beautiful garden, a clear fence. You feel the one arm touching the other. Your spine reacts, and suddenly you feel your heels on the ground like two balls on one big ball. And then let go, and then you now notice you come forward, then you were in the E. And this feeling, I feel myself, one arm feel the other, it's good to just also really do it with the legs, to feel yourself down there. So you just stand, and you can hold on to a wall, to a table, to a chair, and you can do it sitting easily. Because it's just about feeling, one leg with the other. So I cross one leg, I just try to stand, okay. My head has to rethink a few things, but after a while it manages, and then I only concentrate on, do I feel with one leg the other one, and with the other leg the first one. And then make a little step forward, put the other leg around, and again, just get stable, hold on, and then just concentrate on, do I feel with one leg the other leg? Not just imagine the crossing, but feel it. A little step forward or backward, whatever, just to be able to cross anew. Stabilize yourself, stay a little bit, it should be, feel okay. And then feel how one leg feels the other. And the other, the one. And last time, just stand again, cross over, gently put the legs against each other. And where's the point? Is it the lower leg, the upper leg, whatever? The further down, the better perhaps. And then try to feel that they touch. Come back. Relax. And let your breath react. Invite your breath to react to what you did. And again, sit down for a moment, listen to the resonance. Which parts of the body do I feel now? Which come into my mind first? And is it more the surface or more the inner? And when I feel my legs and my body, is it similar or different? How they live in my consciousness. And when you look at your gaze, how you look through your eyes, is it a bright look or is it a dim look, a soft way? Is it more looking, or how bright is it around you? And the breast, the chest, is it very flexible now or more structured? More case? And how does the breath flow through it? And again, let go. Even let go, even perceiving, and just be for a moment.